Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Daniel here, back at it again with another video. So today we're going to be making a salsa, okay? So we're going to be using 5 jalapeno chiles. We're going to be using 3 cloves of garlic, half a cube of this knorr caldo de pollo, a 1/4 cup of water, 2 tomatoes. We're going to use a 1/4 of an onion, and we just took a handful of a bunch of cilantro. And for this we're going to be using the Instantpot Ace blender. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we got these in quarters. I'll put all the tomato in. I'm going to go ahead and put this cilantro in here. Bam. Now we're going to add 5 chiles. You can use less if you guys can handle the heat. But we like it spicy, so 5 will do for us, okay? And we're just gonna add a 1/4 of an onion, okay? Garlic. And I'm gonna go ahead and chop this in half. Bam! You don't have to chop it. I just did, but. And the 1/4 cup of water. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and cover this up. Make sure it's locked in. We're gonna go ahead and put medium blend, and we're gonna leave it on for about 2 or 3 seconds, and then we're gonna push cancel, and then soup 1. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go ahead and put soup 1. Okay, soup 1, and there you go. $20 later. Alright guys, this thing is done, so let's go ahead and take it out of here. And we're gonna enjoy this. Careful, it's hot. We're gonna enjoy this with some chips. Okay. Here we go. That is really good salsa, guys. It's so good. So try out this recipe because it's really good, guys. I recommend it. Okay, and you can use this salsa on anything really. We can put it on tacos, on some eggs, on tostadas, on burritos, on anything, guys. Like, this sauce is really good. So this isn't really spicy. It's really good. It has a good kick to it, but not super spicy to where you're gonna burn yourself or do any damage. Okay, guys. So it's just the right amount of heat, just the right amount of flavor, guys. It's really good. Like I said, you could eat it like this with chips, tacos, burritos, tostadas, all sorts of stuff. Okay, guys. So it's a good garnish. So remember, guys, remember to like this video, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you want some more recipes, and remember, only the strong subscribe.